What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we have to go over Dogecoin here again today because we are on a little bit of a downtrend with Dogecoin. And I actually made this trend line a few days ago, and we're still going. Actually, no, I made this trend line longer than a few days ago, but yeah, we're still going through this trend line, and we're still going on this downtrend here around May 9th. But yeah, we have been going on this downtrend, and we're still kind of waiting till we get to that consolidation. Because remember, when we get to the end of a trend line or towards the end, it doesn't always have to be exactly at the end, but it could be around here. Remember, this is a short-term trend line, but it could be somewhere around here, honestly, where we decide to break out back up. But we just have to look at our previous supports and our previous resistance. Look right here at how this was consolidating right here. There was huge consolidation here, and that's kind of around where we are going down here with our consolidation. So honestly, I don't want to say 25 cents. That's too low, but 30 cents is the lowest Dogecoin would go if we continue to go down on this downtrend. Now, Elon Musk has the power to make this all, turn around. He has the power to make this all turn around. And the reason why I say this, let's go over to Elon Musk's page here, Tesla and Bitcoin. So we all know what he's doing about Bitcoin, right? Energy usage trend over the past few months. All right, pretty much when we look over here, it's that Tesla has suspended vehicle purchase using Bitcoin. We are concerned about rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions, especially coal, which has the worst emissions of any fuel. Cryptocurrency is a good idea on many levels, and we believe it has a promising future, but this cannot come at a great cost to the environment. Tesla will not be selling any Bitcoin, and we intend to use it for transactions. So they're not selling Bitcoin, they're just saying they're not accepting it as a payment. They intend to use it for transactions as soon as mining transitions to more sustainable energy. We are also looking at other cryptocurrencies that use less than 1% of Bitcoins. This is the main thing that you want to get out of this. We are also looking at other cryptocurrencies that use less than 1% of Bitcoin's energy transaction. So the previous post that Elon Musk tweeted was about Dogecoin. Look, Bitcoin electricity consumption. So Bitcoin electricity consumption is high right now, right? And then when we go over here, we see what he said previously to this. Do you want Tesla to accept Doge? And honestly, this is the biggest thing that we need to be looking at right now, because he's actually saying that they're going to accept Doge over Bitcoin. So when we go over here to this website, we see this is the website that they're talking about, the energy consumption with Bitcoin, right? So yeah, that's energy consumption with Bitcoin right there. They're looking at the mining for it. Yeah, that's a lot of energy used. So this is Bitcoin's energy upper bound consumption, and then Dogecoin's energy is actually way less than Bitcoin's energy. So Dogecoin actually mines way less than it takes way more energy, or way less energy than Bitcoin. So that is why Elon Musk, he's trying to make this into a Dogecoin finale, right? He's trying to make everybody look at the bigger picture. That is why he posted this before he said all that about Bitcoin, because he knew people would catch on to it. So look at this. These are the final results. Everyone said accept Dogecoin over Bitcoin. And then you come over here and look at the energy usage over the past few months of Bitcoin. And that's a lot of energy used. And if Dogecoin is using less energy when it's being mined, that means that we are going to be used as a payment for Teslas. And a lot of people are buying Teslas right now. I drive around and all I see is Teslas right now. So this is going to be really big for Dogecoin. So even these people are saying Dogecoin. Everybody knows Dogecoin is about to be accepted by Tesla. And then look, that's where we're trending. Dogecoin for Tesla and also Cardano. I'll do a video on Cardano later, but yeah, Cardano is definitely going up right now. But Doge for Tesla is what's trending right now. So Dogecoin is about to be accepted by Tesla. This is a good time to double down on Dogecoin, because Dogecoin is so cheap right now. This is discounted. Like, remember when we were at 73 cents and everyone wanted to buy Dogecoin, but now we're at 41 cents and no one wants to buy Dogecoin? Like, that's backwards. That's not how you invest. Like, you invest by buying when it's low, selling when it's high. So that is just what I'll be doing here. I'll probably be loading up some more Dogecoin too, because I still have my Dogecoin, but I'm gonna have to put some more money into this because we are about to go to the moon. Imagine Tesla accepting it. That's billions of dollars flowing through Dogecoin. And this is what I want to get at. Look, Tesla stock market cap, right? Let's go over to Tesla's market cap. I already know it's $596 billion, right? So Tesla's market cap is $553 billion, almost there. But yeah, $553 billion. Like, that's a lot for market cap. $553 billion. Like, that money would be flowing through Doge now. Like, whoa, now you see where we're going with this. That money would be flowing through Doge. Not all of it, obviously, not all the 553 billion, but we can bet a good little tiny percentage is going to flow through Doge. So let's just hypothetically say about 50 billion of that just flows through Doge, you know, because 550 billion, let's just say 50 billion flows through Doge. That would give us enough to get to $1, and that's exactly what Elon Musk is going to do. Like, Doge is about to go to $1. We're about to go crazy here with Doge, and I'm definitely gonna have to load up more Doge. So this is just a short little update on Doge. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but this is just you know, the facts here with Dogecoin. Dogecoin is going crazy right now. People are putting Doge on their Teslas. Like, I want a Tesla down just because of this, and I'll probably end up getting a Cybertruck once I get a bunch of money off of Doge. But yeah, that is probably I want to see how much the Cybertruck is, how much Doge it will actually be. But yeah, we won't know until they actually release that, until they actually release the Doge Tesla. But then they also got this other trending thing right here, right? Trending in the United States, don't buy Tesla. They're trying to tell people not to buy Tesla. Wise words, wise words from the wise legend. Don't buy Tesla. Edison, the biggest manipulative in the world, is pretending as if he doesn't know Bitcoin's energy consumption earlier. See, people are mad because he's going with Dogecoin. Your Honor, it wasn't my intention to manipulate the market. Okay, so a lot of people are losing money in Bitcoin, so now they're mad at Elon Musk because that money is about to flow through Dogecoin. So that's what really is happening here. So I'm on the side of Elon Musk here. I don't really care about the Bitcoin like that. Bitcoin's way too expensive anyway, so it was only a matter of time before it lost some market cap. Like, look at that. But the main thing you want to look at, the 24-hour trading volume actually jumped for Bitcoin just because of all this commotion, and a lot of money has been lost. Like, we were almost at $1.1 trillion market cap in Bitcoin, but then it went all the way down to 936 billion. Like, that is kind of crazy to think about, that it went that low. Like, this is the first time Bitcoin's done this. I mean, come on, like, we had this before with Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin all the way back there. We had drops like this before, and we actually went down lower before, 47k. Like, it's not that bad. Some of that money is going to be flowing through Dogecoin now, and that is why they are mad. But honestly, as long as we're profiting and we're doing good in Dogecoin, that's all we care about here. Dogecoin is doing good. A lot of people are hating on Elon Musk here, but this is just the way things go in the media. You know, people love you one moment and they hate you the next moment, the second you do one thing wrong or one thing they don't like. But yeah, that's just kind of how things go in society. But yeah, this is just a little update on Dogecoin and what's going on and why there's all this hate for Elon Musk. And I just don't understand it, but let's keep on going. The creator of Dogecoin on the cryptocurrency's appeal, there's something pure about it. So yeah, we do have a lot of good press about Dogecoin, so it's not all bad. But yeah, this is definitely kind of a negative light on Dogecoin too, because Elon Musk is connected with Dogecoin, and everybody knows he's dropping Bitcoin for Dogecoin. Everybody knows this, but he's trying to do it in a strategic way. But I guess you can't be strategic enough with something like that because people will notice it either way. But he had to do it. Honestly, I think he shouldn't have dropped the Bitcoin, but maybe he should have added Dogecoin as the main one and then Bitcoin as like the side one. But you know, that's just what I think. But do only good every day, and it is good, you know, because Dogecoin takes way less energy to mine than Bitcoin. So that's gonna be how we are. But look, charity, fundraising, supporting each other, teaching people about cryptocurrency, having fun, making memes, being absurd. That is what Dogecoin is. It is not harassment, threats, FOMO, baseless, hype, abusive. It's none of that. Be smart, be kind, be safe. Like, we are a good community here inside Dogecoin, and that's exactly why Elon Musk wants to use Dogecoin for Tesla, because of the less energy consumption and because of the whole community as a whole. Like, he's almost like the leader of the whole community of Dogecoin, which is pretty crazy. And I guess that's why some people are hating on him for what he's done. But it's just something that was gonna happen either way. But yeah, Bitcoin's crash is bad news for some other cryptos, but it is good news for Dogecoin. So yeah, this article is saying that it's bad news for other cryptos, which, yeah, the market caps for other ones will go down. But as you can see, like, Cardano is trending, like everything else is trending, so it's not really 100% a bad thing. Like, look at Cardano right now, number 6, $59 billion in market cap. Like, that's crazy. And even on Twitter, Cardano was trending. Like, look right here, Cardano trending 26.6K. Breaking the independent Bitcoin crashes as Elon Musk tweets Tesla can't be bought with crypto. But yeah, the Cardano Foundation, Cardano x Tesla, an obvious match. Oh, see, now this is what we need to look at. Founded by engineers, sustainability, unique solutions, scalability. Scalability, unique solutions, sustainability, founded by engineers. So they're the exact same thing Cardano is saying. And Cardano does use less energy consumption than Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is mined at a larger scale because of it's the highest crypto. So people are really, building facilities with unsustainable energy consumption. And then you have independent miners who are mining stuff like Cardano and Dogecoin, who aren't using huge facilities, or just kind of doing things, on their own appeal. They're not really doing things at huge, big old, 10-mile facilities, not 10-mile, but like 10-acre facilities like that, because there are Bitcoin mining facilities that are huge like that, and they use a lot of energy. And that is what Elon Musk is getting at. Just imagine a whole farm, like a whole farmland that was supposed to have agriculture and supposed to, be doing good for the earth, instead being used for a Bitcoin mining facility. That is what we're getting at here. So yeah, this is really big for Dogecoin, and this is really big for Cardano. Honestly, I think Cardano can trade with us. Cardano and Dogecoin. We can have Cardano and Dogecoin as the currency for Tesla. That would be pretty cool, because I like Cardano a lot too, and Cardano has some really stable prices. Cardano isn't always fluctuating too bad, and it's been really stable lately, but it's been going up a lot. And that is one really good thing that'll help Tesla gain money. So if they want to gain money, yeah, put Cardano on, but put Dogecoin on first. I definitely want to see Dogecoin first. I'll be doing a video on Cardano, like, just an independent video, just so you could kind of see the technical analysis behind this. But look at Cardano. Cardano is green for everything. For a 1 hour, 24 hour, 7 day, 14 day, 30 day, 1 year, Cardano is 100% good. And that's what we'd like to see inside of cryptos. And Dogecoin is doing good because, remember, we had a lot more growth than Cardano. Like, we had a lot more growth. Like, in the last year, just 16,000%. That's a lot. But yeah, we definitely had to come down from those levels. You got to think, like, whenever you grow that fast in such a short period of time, you have to come down. You can't always stay at your highest point, like with these cryptos. It just doesn't work like that. But anyway, let's look over here at the charts, because we haven't looked at the charts much here. But we know that we are on a downtrend here. We do know this, but temporarily you can kind of see that we are trying to break out of this downtrend. It's not like we're just kind of sitting here. We're actually trying to break out of this downtrend. So what you can expect Dogecoin to do right here, we are going to keep going down a little bit lower, about to 39 cents again. But then once you see this start to happen, like once you see it start to move up on this trend line, definitely know that we're about to break out. So we are almost at the bottom of the trend line, and when we finally reach there, we're gonna trade sideways on this trend line, and then we're finally gonna break out at the end. And this is about to happen, and this is a good discount to get Doge. And possibly, if we want to wait till 39 cents, you can be risky. But it's not too risky, because like, you can come over here and obviously see that Dogecoin is still going down. Like, it's been going down steadily, and I do predict that it'll probably do some little movements like this, and then finally hit the the chart. So yeah, 39 cents, you could get it in at 39 cents. So that is definitely a good option right there. And let's clear all this junk off of this screen. All right, clear all this off, so you can kind of see where we're going with this. So yeah, this trend line is going up, This is our little short-term trend line. That's going up there, and that is what that should do there. Let me go back here to a longer chart, and then our long-term trend line, which we recently broke. Remember, we had that long-term trend line set like this. Yeah, it was set just like this, and then boom, it actually went below it right there. So the long-term trend line, we can hop back on it. Remember, we don't always, completely go off it. But look, this is why I love doing these trend lines, because the trend line that we just drew, you can kind of see that it's going right up, back up to our long-term trend line. So we're about to be right back up where we were. So then we go back here to the smaller chart and see it. You're like, oh wait, it's kind of forming like a diamond shape, diamond hands. Like, that's what we're looking at here. Like, it's going up on this trend line. You can see that it's stopping every single time exactly on the trend line, and it's not going below it. So right here, honestly, we can expect it to be somewhere around there, and then continue to end up only hitting the trend line whenever we drop. So that is what we're looking for here. And then let's go out at the larger view, and you can see it from a bigger perspective here. So then you just continue to jump and then land back out on the trend line. You continue to jump, land back on the trend line, jump, and now we are back on our long-term trend line. All of this was our hiatus, so we were not on our long-term trend line there, because of all the stuff that's been going on with the media. Everything's been going crazy. People have been selling out here because the media has just been going crazy, and the media drives everything. So now we are back on our long-term trend lines. So these will be our bottom points when we get there. So yeah, we are going to rise here in Dogecoin. That's just what I want to show here today. And this is just, remember, my professional thought on what this is, on what we're doing, my technical analysis. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But this is just my technical analysis, what I think is going to happen with Dogecoin. Let me know in the comments if you think something different is going to happen, because obviously, as we see on Twitter, a lot of other people think something different, because a lot of people don't want Tesla, but then a lot of people want Doge4TESLA, and I just don't get it. Bitcoin, the people who are invested in Bitcoin need to be grateful for what they have. Like, go back over here and then look at what they are invested in over here. Just look at the people who are invested in Bitcoin. Like, they need to be grateful for what they have. Let's go over here and look at that. Like, y'all, you have $936 billion. Stop complaining. But yeah, that's just how I feel with the Bitcoin investors. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. And if you like this video, oh wait, no, I cannot pause the video yet. I actually want to say something. So right over here with our Dogecoin addresses, you can see that it says 28.35%. It was 28.37% last month. And that is because every single day we are having new Dogecoins printed into the economy. So that means every single day this whale, all the whales become less dominant in Dogecoin. All the whales become less dominant. And every single day that Dogecoin is mined, we have way more Dogecoin inside our circulation. So this is all the whales. You can see they're doing a lot of transactions here. Like, each and every single whale out there is doing crazy stuff. So even though the whales can manipulate prices like that, the one thing they can't manipulate is the amount of Dogecoin that goes into the economy. So the more Dogecoin that goes into the economy, the more the prices will fluctuate. So that's why we see decreasing in prices like this. We see this happening because it's just what happens when we have inflation. We have Dogecoin printed into the economy every single day. And with this trend line, you can kind of see where this is going, where I'm going with this. So look, every single day we're still having more Dogecoin printed. So, prices will go down, but then you'll have people starting to buy more, and then prices will go up. So, things fluctuate like that. So we could possibly see something like this where it goes up from here and then it goes down. Or we could possibly see something like this where it just goes down and then it goes up, then it goes down, then it touches this, and then it goes down, and then it breaks. And then when it breaks, things break huge. And then it goes down here. Forgive my poor drawings, but it's going to be something like this when it does happen. And then we'll pass our long-term trend line again. So this is just a little update on Dogecoin. Honestly, this next time around, I feel like the growth is going to be slower this next time around. Like, this next jump all the way up to $1, we're going to go out there to $1 slower, and we're going to go there more steady. And that's kind of what you see here, more steady and slow growth. So yeah, this is just my technical analysis on Dogecoin and what we're going to do. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe, and check out the link in the description for a free stock with Robinhood and Webull. And you can also get Dogecoin on Webull, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.